Yes, these diets work really fast, and there is only one reason behind this, and that is calorie deficit. So calorie deficit simply means that eating less calories that our body needs to maintain our current physique. For example, if you need 2500 calories to maintain your current weight, then if you eat 2000 calories, then you are under caloric deficit. That means you have created those 500 deficit, and now your body will use your fat cells to maintain that deficit. And in K-pop diets, this calorie deficit is so big, and that's why you can see quick results. The bigger the deficit, the quicker you get the results. And most of these K-pop diets consist only 800 to 1000 calories, which is very dangerous for your health. Just remember one thing, that in case of weight loss, the slower is better. The slower you lose the weight, the better is for your body. Just look at me, take me as an example. Till now I have lost 25 kilos. I still have 10 more kilos to lose, but I'm taking it slow. And I started last year 2020 April, and it's almost a year, and I still have a long way to go. If you drastically cut down calories, if you are very aggressive on your caloric deficit, it will affect your overall health, your hormones and your metabolism, which is not good for your health. And the most dangerous thing is that you will lose your treasure, that is your muscles. And after these diets, when you will start your normal life, you will start eating like you did before, then you will end up gaining all the weights back, and maybe you will add some more. And after that, losing weight gonna become more difficult. So it's a dangerous cycle, which is also called yo-yo dieting. I just tried these diets for experimental purpose, just for fun, and to see like how these diets gonna affect my body, how it's gonna affect my weight. So just for 2 to 3 days, and let's take for 5 days, not more than that. So I just do this for 3 to 5 days, not more than that, because I know these are not not gonna be my lifestyle. So I suggest you all that don't try these diets for a long-term period. If you want to try, if you have any special occasion coming up, if you have any photo shoot, wedding or any special occasions, then you can try this for 3 to 5 days, not more than that. Just remember that losing weight is a marathon, not a sprint. So don't go for quick fixes, for shortcuts. In fact there is no shortcut in weight loss. And yeah, if you are watching my videos, then please stay with me. If you are on a weight loss journey like me, then please be with me. I will post videos related to weight loss. I still have a lot of weight to lose, and yeah, I'll keep making videos. And if you like this video, then please hit the thumbs up button, and subscribe my channel if you are new. So I'm telling you again that don't try these fat diets for long run. It's just for a short period of time. Don't make this a lifestyle. So yeah, that's all for today's video. See you soon. Bye bye.